to say much. Let our lips touch. I will stay with you until the end. Meet me in the back.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's super motivating clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning my bar area, my family room, putting my freshly washed rug back on the floor, and cleaning my downstairs bathroom. I'm also going to show you the really cool basket that I just bought for my shoes, and I'm going to swap that out. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Halina, I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY, home design, and reno. If you guys like this type of content, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel.
People that talk about nothing, and I'm not wasting this moment. Even though I know that letting you go would be crazy. Thinking, no, I want you for myself. I don't need anybody.
I have to say that one of the worst things and the reason our house always gets so messy is honestly because we don't put everything back right away where it belongs. Just two small kids, you know, everyone's got like a really busy life, and sometimes we're in a rush, sometimes we just don't have the opportunity, sometimes we're just too tired to put things back. That is the one thing that I have to work on, is always putting things back where they belong, because when you start putting those things back and you get into that habit, your house is so much cleaner. You have so much less cleaning to do, because I spent so much of my time just putting things back where they're supposed to be at. I want to hear from you guys. What is your biggest problem when it comes to cleaning? Like, what is something that you need to start working on, get better at? Like I said, for us, it's putting things back where they belong immediately when we're done with them.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay.
So lately, I have been using the stuff that I bought online, and it actually came from the UK. It's called the Pink Stuff, and it's just like an environmentally friendly, abrasive cleaner. So I actually really enjoy using this on my stainless steel sinks. I think it does a really good job with the hard water stains and just removes any of the stains, any of the gunk pretty well. I do recommend it. If you guys are interested in it, I'm going to link it in my description below.
We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be
So I really do like these white cabinets. They do, however, show dirt super easily. You have to be extremely careful with them so you don't ding them up and destroy them, because like I said, every little thing shows. However, in our next house, when we do buy it, we are obviously looking for a house that needs a lot of work from the inside, will need a renovation, and I'm super excited about that because I love to renovate. And I'm hoping in our next house, we may have to get them custom made if they don't have them in the stores. We can go with a really light stained kind of whitewashed oak with white countertops. I think that would look so beautiful with really light floors as well. So not everyone may know, but I went to school to be an architect, and I love, like I said, renovation. I live for it. We've renovated a ton of houses, and we have literally bought some of the ugliest houses on the block, and we have turned them into the most beautiful spaces. And I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of what this house used to look like, just real quick. One picture. If you guys are interested in seeing like a full-fledged video of what this house used to look like versus what it looks like now, let me know in the comments below. Now, this is what the house looked like after we already cleaned it up and got rid of literally most of the filth. It actually looked worse. I know it's really hard to imagine, but it did. And then obviously you guys see what our house looks like today. And like I said, if you're interested in seeing those before and like a full house tour, let me know, because like I said, this house was such a disaster. It was a hoarder house. They had tons of animals. Literally there was feces up to the ceiling. It was insane. So let me know in the comments below.
Came from, you are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up.
I really like these tables, and we got these from Costco, and they're just the kids' lifetime tables, but they are really durable. They're pretty easy to wash. Like if my kids paint on them, just like I'm doing here, a quick sponge, wipe it down, super easy, and they were so cheap. I think the table was $20 a piece, and then the chairs were $15, but they are super durable. Highly recommend. We got these pillow pads off of Amazon, and what they are is they hold the iPad, and we got one for each child. They work super well, and they hold the iPads up for my kids. I really recommend them. I'm going to link them in the description below.
Why did I choose you? I'm just too lost, I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy. Now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed to. This was a phase that I was a mistake, but I can't move on with something in me stays. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me again.
Tell me how to be closer to you. Tell me how.
So finally, my rug is dry. It looks and smells so good. About 2 videos ago, I showed you guys how I wash my rugs, and that is basically by a power washer. So I'm so excited to finally bring that rug back into the house, you know, put things back where they belong.
Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
Aside from the kitchen, the bathroom is the second single thing that we have to clean absolutely the most, especially the toilet. With 2 small kids, the toilet can never be clean enough, honestly. But just kind of putting things away off the countertops, wiping down the countertops are always pretty vital, wiping down the floors, and then always cleaning that toilet.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how. You can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.
I have yet to steam clean the grout in this bathroom, and to steam clean that toilet. I will be probably doing it pretty soon. I've just been so busy and I really don't have time today to pull out that steam cleaner, but it is such a necessity. As you guys saw in my other video, how much cleaner that grout looked. I mean, it looked brand spanking new after I steam cleaned it. If you guys want to see that video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it below.
Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love.
So I went to Ross and I found this adorable little basket. It was $14.99, and we're going to put all of our shoes in here. It looks already so much better than the little laundry basket that we had our shoes in. As you guys know, we don't really have a lot of storage in this house, so we have to come up with different ways for storage, where to keep our things. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel.
I like it all with the cherry on top.